how to make another account on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make another account on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To make another account on Facebook, first of all, just log out of your current account by tapping the three lines option. Go to the logout option and then tap on logout. Now once you log out of the current account, you want to create a new account, then tap on create new account option here, tap on get started. Make sure to simply enter your name as well as your last name over here, and once you've entered that, you should be able to go ahead and tap the next option. Make sure to select your date of birth in this case, and once it's selected, tap on set, tap on the next option again. Once done, select your gender, tap on next and enter your phone number. If you're not comfortable with sharing the phone number, you can tap on sign up with email address and select your email address in this case, and then just tap the next option to finish the changes. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically make another account on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.